Everbee Keyword Research Tutorial 2025. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do keyword research using Everbee in 2025 so you can rank higher in Etsy and find winning product ideas.
So to get started, start by logging into Everbee and connecting your Etsy account. On the dashboard, click on Product Analytics or Keyword Research. They already have a separate tab for this. Now, choose a product niche or search term. Everbee will then show you real-time data including monthly searches, competition score, and click-through rates. You can find it here. As you can see, I have here keywords and then the volume, the competition or how many people have been posting about this keyword, and the keyword score. You may also filter this and customize these keywords. Now sort the keywords by engagement or revenue to find high-performing ones. Look for long-tail keywords that have lower competition but still hold demand. Everbee also suggests trending keywords, perfect if you're prepping seasonal products. You can also click into each keyword to view top listings. Let's try that. And add the best keywords to your personal list so you can use them in your titles, tags, and description. However, please note that it is important that your Etsy shop is already connected to this. And don't forget to refresh your research every month to stay ahead of trends. And that's how you do keyword research using Everbee in 2025. Super easy and effective for Etsy growth.